Hi, in this video I want to show the problems I've been having charging micro USB devices while using these USB Type-C to micro USB adapters. So I will be using this genuine Google USB Type-C charger that came with my Google Pixel. You can see it has USB Type-C on both ends. So I'll plug that in there and I'll plug that into the wall outlet. Then if I get one of these adapters, you can see it has USB Type-C on one end and then micro USB on the other end. These Bluetooth headphones charge via micro USB and I only want to carry around my USB Type-C charger. So I thought these would be the great solution. So we plug this in here, and then we take the USB Type-C cable and let's turn it around so we can see the status light. Plug it in and wait, and if it was charging, this LED would flash red to show that it's charging. We'll give it a few seconds, but we can see it is not charging at all. So to eliminate the charger being the issue, I will unplug that wall charger and then we'll use this USB Type-C battery pack, which has two outputs on it. One of them USB Type-C and one of them just normal USB Type-A. So first of all, we will try the USB Type-C, as that's what we want to work. I will turn the battery pack on and then plug it in. Again, we'll wait a few seconds, but it's not charging. We can see that. No light, no charge. So the only time I've found these adapters to work is when using a USB Type-A to USB Type-C cable, which defeats the purpose. But if we plug this in, we shall see in a second. Yeah, there we go. The red lights come on to show that it's charging and it's working as normal. So just to prove that it's not these headphones, I have another micro USB device here. So again, using the USB Type-A to USB Type-C adapter, we plug that in, get it the right way around. And you see the red light there instantly starts flashing. Well, it's on steady to show that it's charging. If we unplug the Type-A cable and go back to the USB Type-C cable, plug that in, and again, no charge. So that's the difficulty I've been having with these. If anyone knows why that might be the case, or an adapter that's going to work, I would love to hear. Thank you very much.